Hello guys, welcome to my another video. Today I am going to show you the 5 best jumper cables on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches and I am trying to list those based on price, quality and more. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest top rated product updates. Number 5, Noon Jumper Cables, Heavy Duty. On the 5th rank according to these reviews is the Noon Jumper Cable. It comes from reputable manufacturers who know very well what they do. You, therefore, need to buy with confidence, keeping in mind that these cables come with a warranty of 5 years. This means that the warranty will cover manufacturing defects if any. Again, the support team is very friendly and will respond timely. The cable has a length of 25 feet for convenience purposes. It comes with a premium PVC coating which helps in protecting the cable from damages. Its strong and safety clamps make it very electrical conductivity much easier. The grip force for this cable too will guarantee that the clamps will hold well on the battery posts. Number 4, Ipato 6-gauge Booster Jumper Cables. This is an affordable cable that suits individuals shopping under tight budgets. However, this does not mean that their performance is not reliable. You will not notice any difference from the highly priced counterparts. You will be happy to realize the compatibility of these jumper cables. They find applications in most cars like motorbikes, SUVs, trucks and so on. Transporting or storage of these cables will never be an issue. The reason why we are saying that is because the manufacturer has provided a carrying bag in the package. Other accessories that come with this cable include the working gloves. The heavy-duty design is something else that these cables boast about, which guarantees durability. Number 3, Energizer 4-gauge Jumper Battery Cables. The 20-feet jumper cable is the next item you will want to purchase. It is very good for jump-starting your dead car battery. Its universal compatibility is one thing you will appreciate about it. Apart from that, it is UL listed, which means that it will ever be safe for you. What more, the manufacturer has priced the cable so well that everyone will afford it. There is a carrying bag included in the package, which means that storage will not be an issue for you. It is also tangle-free and flexible during the low temperatures. This is a brand name you can always trust. The brand is here to power up your car battery and everything you need is ready. Number 2, Ipato 4-gauge Heavy-Duty Booster. The second position in these reviews is the cable which has earned the trust of so many buyers in the market. The compatibility of this cable is just excellent, which means that it will work with most car types. Other than its excellent compatibility, you will realize that the package comes with a pair of gloves which will make your work much easier. You never have to worry even if you will be shopping under tight budgets. This is because the cable comes at a very affordable price to ensure that each budget is well accommodated. Given the many positive reviews this product has online, you will feel confident to purchase the jumper cable. Number 1, the Karpman Booster Cable with a carrying bag. Last but not least, you do not know what you are missing if you are yet to purchase the Karpman Booster Cable. As the online reviews are saying, this is one product you can rely upon. It comes with a manufacturer warranty of 5 years to boost your buying confidence. This means that in case there are any manufacturing defects, they will be covered by the warranty. Compatibility is another reason you need to purchase the cable. It will work with different car models to give you the convenience you need. Additionally, Additionally, it is UL listed and stamped, which means that it will be ready to use. Again, the manufacturer provides a carrying bag to make sure that you will not struggle when storing or transporting the cable.